Ladies and gentlemen, people of the South, here we are once again. August is Women's Month. It's dedicated to women's. Allow me to introduce my friend over here. Why is she here? It's because it's August. We're celebrating women. How are you, the Black Cat?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you?
How do you feel that it's August now, it's Women's Month, and I'm making you an ambassador, a representative for the women of the country?
Hallelujah. I feel so special.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel so special and I really appreciate.
Yeah.
Because of I'm chosen.
Yeah.
I'm the lucky one.
Yeah.
But I'm chosen.
Yeah.
They said that few will come, but basically many will come. Few will be chosen.
Yeah.
So I'm one of the chosen ones.
You're one of the chosen ones.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me about yourself. Who are you?
Nna lina la ka ke nna Mathapelo.
Yeah.
Mathapelo Kanyane ke tswa Marulane ga Mphahlele. Mathapelo ke file ke mama ka because of nana le bana ba bashimane ba 5. So ne antse a rapela gore nka ba ngwanyana. So happy ze a rapela bitse di kereke everything ka mohlakantsa le merapelo ya bore ke tla ke le ngwanyana re yo morena ke ena Mmadithapelo. Yes, ka Thomas Kolo sa ka Hlagatse Primary School mo ke feletseng grade 7. Ka ya Choyo Kgolo High School ke Lenteng ga Mphahlele ka feletsa grade 12. Ka ya Pinoni ko Sibikwa Arts and Culture. Ka yo kena teng ka ithutela script writing, acting and music and dancing. You know lo dancing Melo Stave. I know ro kene sekolo, I know reng Melo o Stave.
Yeah, Melo Stave.
Yes, modimo sa ho for Melo los out. Ka ira that dancing sekolong but ka pasa. Then I fetsa go pasa ya ba gore ke thoma go nyaka di piece job before ke tlo focus too much mo industry ya acting and music. Yes.
So Sibikwa, it's a big name, man. I know the organization, the Sibikwa. You are also from Sibikwa.
Yes, Sibikwa Arts and Culture.
From Mphahlele to Israel.
Yes.
Okay, that's where you equipped yourself with artistic skills.
Exactly.
In terms of writing,
dancing, acting, le di drums. Ne ba ruta go dlala di drums. Lo DJ ne to re a ke na patient for DJ. Le di classes tsa teng ne ke sa focus because of ne ke sa ela yona. Ne to re it was compulsory.
Were you paying?
Yes, my parents were paying.
Oh, at the same school?
Yes, at the same school.
Okay.
Yes, by that time my parents were still alive. Of which ne ke wisho kare nka ga ke ba successful e be le re ba sa le teng ba bona re tšhelete bona ba ela tlhela ka moleteng. But unfortunately we plan, God decide.
Okay, then after your journey from Sibikwa, I believe you were young by then, eh?
Very young.
Finding yourself, where can you belong, where are you talented and where are you not, and then you found where you belong.
Yes, I really did. Because of passion for writing, it was not only based at school. It was all about writing. Yeah. Music,
yeah.
Yes.
Or because they say you don't learn writing, you practice writing.
Thank you.
If you want to know how to write, you must write all the time. Just write anything. Whether it's a letter, or it's a poem, or it's a song, or whatever, you keep on writing.
You keep on writing, our daily lifestyle, on daily basis.
Yeah.
Yes, because of re learna dintho tse dimpšha on daily basis. Me moving from this relationship to this relationship, dating someone with conditions is something unique. A lot of people will love to know why. Relationship. How is the conversation with someone on a condition? Because of motho nna re mmona ka re o abnormal. But wena o ba le ena conversation ela ya the relationship le bolela ka eng. So dilo tse ke tse ile gore re tlo di deliver in terms of writing.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
So how challenging it is to be in a relationship with someone with special needs, who demand extraordinary attention.
It's very much challenging because first of all, if a gaufi le wena ba mirela.
Yeah.
Like so, go ka mo founela a kry miss call. Ba khone gore ba cancel miss call, a khone bona di miss call. Secondly, a khone bala. Service 3 a khone ngwala. And then o thole hore for instance wa phone o mo raseng. Anga se khone responda ka voice note. And then ho sa ngwali o file ka re wa mo blue tick. And then o ka re ha noise, there's no way you can communicate. And then yena o eager to know gore o iragalang or go kry di questions, the answer tsa ntho a botsang yona. So it was very much challenging, especially with my ex Skomota, because of nasa khone nlwela ne ba motsela di decision gore wa mmona a o mmone, wa mo khapa a o mo khape, wa mo founela a o mo founele gore ne ba motsela di decision. So ne ira bophelo bja ka bo be difficult. Ne ke sa khone mo kira ka nako yaka no khonori go mo sendela voice note a le no se le ena ka se khone respond le eno thome potso re wang ignora go iragalang. And again batho ba nna ba expectile dilo tse nice out of lena. For instance let's say ke robala le yena Skomota go iragale gore a tsogo fru a ntlogela a tlhakatlhakane a tsamaetseleng ba tlo mo shoota ba mo posta ba re ke yo black cat a mo tlhokomele, not knowing gore motho o ntlogetse nna ke sa robetse or ga a tsoga tshwantse ke jambelena ke re a ro tlhapa o ka se tsole bjana or because of not all the time batho ba re mamela go na le manuti a ntlhogara. I am not doing that. Go tshwana le tsekele go na le uti a tlhogara ke tlhape wa re ke re tlhapa ra ke tlhapo tlo mirang o ka se mo force. Exactly. So ha fetsa tsa magotseleng a ba tlo ro ha nno tlhapa ba re black cat a mo tlhokomele o khone o ne diaparo tse pila o khone o tsa skipa sengwe sa maratha e ka sona go mmolong ba mo poster ba rogenna ba re ke ntho ene o mo ratelang yona na. So go ba difficult, people a ba khone o tlhaloganya gore I can't always ke kate motho wa ka le ge nka be ke nna le wena GP wa tsama o tlhakatlhakane motsele ba ka se nroge because of wena o sharp, but just because of ke tsekele gore ke Skomota ba nroga as if ke nna mate tshantse ke nne ke motlhokometse 24/7. So
in reality a gona motho o tswalletseng gore a tlhokomele motho 24/7.
Thank you.
Motho le motho o na le nako ya gae a di one.
That's true.
A iketsetse dijo a inagane a latlhe site.
Exactly.
Ne?
Yes.
Okay, those are the challenges. And then tell me about the pressure. I know people talk. People can say anything they feel or they want to say. The pressure of being in a relationship with a person who is not considered perfect. Haven't you come across a situation whereby maybe you are not well?
I always come across the situations where they even say, ke se gafi le ena lo tlhapa. Even this tattoo, ba re la mona motho mane o tlhakatlhakane a tsipile ngwanyana o di ex tsaka. Majority of my ex ba le ba mentally fit, they tend to hate me. Like, Joe, you are my ex. How could you date someone like Skomota? How could you date someone like Tsekeleke? Like, Bantoya, like, that hatred in them. It's like, or maybe you are not our type. Really, it's a favor. Cannot one of the type is how no. like and I get tlhaloganya gore the same person o ntloa ke motswadi ka bo you can have ngwana o tshwana le bona yena o tlo feel bjang le ngwana hae a receive lerato outside. So yes, majority of people, even my own brother said it gore wa itse ke o stressa le modimo wabo. And then like ke dipolelo, even my own family till today they failing go admit le go understand gore ke ntho ke purpose modimo a ntlisitse tsona mo lefatsheng gore I have to save this thing. And it's not for the first time dating but bo tswana le bona. Even from Kosibiwa, I once dated this guy neto rena ne le go wa tlhoikima so ale a se shapo. We started Kosibiwa mara relationship rena ne la go sekolong fela. So that guy was so obsessed le ka tsheko sa bua le nna ka di WhatsApp. Ke na wa mathomo ke thomile jola lena ka tla ka jola mo ke the shortest guy, the shortest umukana so kutlwana le ena. And then later there was this one other time whereby ha re le mompetong robetse mafelong a mpeto o ile gone ka boroko ke re tshware ke boroko sa robala pele e ke re motho tlhakano feletse mompetong yena o robetse ke re ya tsama go di bona bo. And then a re le busy mompetong ke le go modimo hae ne ke mo kwallela vele tholone bo mokane.
So if I may to ask what drives that courage in you? How you mamela now? Do you believe it's a gift from God that you have, or it's a decision making, or it's an adventure? What it is?
I think it's a gift from God, and especially because of go high ngwana o latela mama ka ke semo a beloga ile semo o belegwe a change a lomdiwe a ba semo mara o khonno ikira monna a morata ba monyala. So why not rena? And le rona as batho we need to teach bana ba rena and everyone know gore a ke no re digole ba bitsa digole ba digole tsa ratiwa. So it's a gift because of ntwe imadi a ke na control over yona. Not to ke shele ke a show like bo brother ba fine ba di jibe a ye mo mona a le pila a botsore ke nna lawyer jo nna nka o tlhokomela mara ke khetetse ke le baba fine o mongwe o promise lo dimo le fatso jo nka fa girlfriend allowance ya 20,000 every month o mona re ke motho di business ke khetetse ke le ke a gola sasa ya 2,000 every month because of happiness aga imo. It's not like I cannot ex say le gore ne ba le mentally fit ke na le tsona where are they today ba ntlogetse ke le mo kae. What did I benefit out of relationship ele? Who changed my life? Skomoto change le pelo bya I don't wanna lie. Shout out to Skomoto. From there ke tsekeleke gore bophelo ba ka bo progress more and more. So at the end of the day into re batla mo bophelo ke progress. If ke bona progress why should I change that? Then ke lifestyle lo ke ketile if modimo mpetse gore nna mo bophelong ke tlo survive ka o jola le bona then let it be. Let me get married to them, have kids with them, ke be successful le bana baka than happy family. Unlike go jola le motho wa tswalo na GP at the end of the day a ona ntwe irala ka rapelo byaka ke lebeletse wena o ile mmerekong o boya. Even one of my brother one day advised me saying ngwana go gae why o sone tnyekala monno mo right a go tlhokomela. I was like abuti ke phelo bjo nratela bona bja go tlhokomela ke monna a tse a full control over nna a o rata ge ke tikemetse ka boshiu ge le re lo bya di tombstone tsa mama o tshwantse ke botse monno la ke re mfe tšhelete ke ntshe 5,000 ka hae. How does it feel or gaetse di aka 1 thusa than monna gaetse di aka o tshwantse a re thusa? So azanga sa khona nkaraba.
So you are an independent woman.
Ke ikemetse ibile for now go because of even my own family they don't know where I stay. They don't know gore ke rentile place e byang. And then I don't have parents because ka bo abuti le sister a ba itse gore ke nna go kae ke phela ka ngwe iragalang mara ba khona bona through social media or I wa phela
Still alive.
Exactly.
But we came into
ke ikemetse ona ntwe ba nthusa ka yona kwa le ena tsekeleke whereas people think gore ke musetsa for chelete sa sa ke nyane ke nna ke thusang yena ke nna ke mirelang until la baby ke nyaka phone ke mo rekele phone ya 5,000 nna ke sena phone.
How important it is as a woman to be independent based on the culture of women of today. Because based on my experience, when I see, it's like it's generational. Women are born and they are raised being told that a man is gonna provide and do everything for you. You are a woman. It's in the Bible. A man must provide. So, what makes you different from all the women?
Because of what I've realized, people are in wrong relationship because of the situations.
Yeah.
Yes. Like right now, if I depend on a man, I will tolerate all shit. Yeah, I ran. A man can cheat and can do something. If I was financially stable, there was no way I was to Iran. But just because of in a situation and then I have kids, I'll have to tolerate munaga achita go next door.
Uchori, most of the people, they are not in love. They are trapped in relationships.
You said it the right way. They are trapped because of the financial problems. But how can a relationship in your if you have 1 million, you will see or she was trapped. How can a house to house was a more meets and the 1 million, you will see the true colors. They were trapped.
Or they are there because for now or whenever they can't find a replacement. But if there can be a replacement right now on the spot, something can change.
Exactly my point. Like, I just don't get it. Kore, oka tlhokomela di soccer player, go tshwana le bo Rene le Tsholonyane and everyone. Or Monor o ugly. I'm sorry to say it in this way, but he's ugly. And then o data ngwanyana o mobile. So if Rene le Tsholonyane ka bo shoe career ya fela, that lady will not stay. O tlo tsamaya. But do this the way they are treated. Yes.
And one because why is ugly.
Exactly my point. Lena, I had an experience relationship because of money, not because of I love the guy. And then I've been there than there. It was not nice at all. You had to tolerate everything and compromise. It was not nice.
Does love exist? Do you believe in love? And if you do, explain to me what is love.
I don't believe in love. I don't believe love exists. Because of nowadays, married men, they come to us and say, I love you, I can take care of you. And then udumelane because of ushebile gore o tlo thusa financially. And then how can I go bedroom a buselo protection e kae? So o khona bona re motho if ka nnete ana le lerato o selfish, why asa khone re protect o nahanela health ya mosadi ya hae? A ke re ena ha sana taba le health ya hae, why asa nahanela health ya mosadi? So I don't believe love exists. If love may exist, the married men may ke dire share. Ke mo no tlo bona rai if batho ba nyetse lerato le teng la nnete. But if a married man a tla a o shela o khona bona re pila there's nothing as such. A mind o prekisa antsa na le mosadi a mo khethile a bolela the whole world gore I'm marrying this lady. A mind o prekisa a itse lo re health ya go eme byang the status sa how then yena wa kena nje fela. So if o thola re wa lwala o lwadise ke botsekeleke o tsama le tso wese tsa mosadi. So I don't believe in love. I believe gore ra phedisana, life goes on.
The woman he got married to, he vowed in the congregation in front of the Muruti until death was apart.
Thank you.
I love you forever. Then here you come, you and I the same story.
Exactly. Ke a rata and ke tla o tlhokomela. And a o fena go engwe intshintse o ipotsa motho ka nnete o na le mosadi na. a ntse a nna le mosadi le bana mara not only saeteng la banna le basadi o kgona go tlogela ntate wa ko ntlong a tsamaye a ye ko ntateng o mongwe. That is why today go na le di-process tse ngata tsa DNA test because of mosadi le ena go se goreng o selekile and a user protection. That is why go na le di-DNA test because of a gona lerato if ne le teng di-DNA test di ka se tlhokagale ke a eng if re le loyal to each other.
Okay, what is the meaning of this tattoo?
This tattoo is my trademark.
Okay.
It's my trademark. Like I decided on this tattoo because of I wanted to look unique.
Oh.
Yes. Azanginya ko lebellega the way ke belogeng ka teng. I wanted to decorate myself. But not in a way ya gore e ka tlang affecta too much in future whereby ke fokotsa dinko di tsebe. No. I knew with this tattoo ke tlo tlhokofala le one ke tlo nna gogo ola wa tattoo. Go sure ke tlo ba famous ke ntse ke le gogo. They'll be taking pics. Gogo wa tattoo. Yeah, Mario ba le one izo.
I think you've said something which is profound. When we are born, we are given an identity.
Exactly.
Masioni, when they give birth to their kids are taken to Moria. And then one also decided it's parents' decision. So when you made an identity for yourself.
Exactly.
You are too powerful.
Thank you.
It's not easy to be like that.
It's not easy.
That is why even your family, they don't see you, they just come across on the social media. Truly, you truly believe in yourself.
I do, and they can see some changes in me because of back then, never some busy at the family meeting, but right now, like they call me.
Oh, now they take you serious.
Yes, and then even if for a certain thing, they call me. Say so about 3,000 for this and that. But back then, no talk of my kilon go high no na linyalo. Why you nyala mang? Sisi ao. Sisi baro wanyala, ranyala. Atropeli phone. Like useless.
Yeah.
But once they see there's a progress, but ngwana go ga ke anyala on this day.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's about position or o tlo tshwara ke ka mabialeng. So.
Money is power.
Money is power. I don't want to lie. Money is power. Like replela chelete. If it was not about money, I don't know.
What about the Bible that says money is the root of all evil?
Baruti bona self banyaka monielo.
Yeah.
Di pastor kaofela ba bitse ba re ba le ba onela ka di 1000 ya ba emelele. Ba di 500, ba di 3, ba le ba di 100 rand le ma le bo mmaditšhaba. So money is power everywhere. I want to fita yona eo. Like whereby I always tell people go na le motho ebe e sangoma a re to win lotto itla monna. Hello. Go patela bokae 10,000 we wena o sa dipi number tse wa betcha lotto wa ke ra tšhata o fete no tshwantse ke patela.
Yeah, very good.
Why o sa iri bjao or why o sa fi bana ba gago ba tshwara dilotto la ba rich why o e fa nna ka 10,000 like is a I kgona ke maaka gore motho re go fa tsona and I don't believe in such no go tlhatsa chelete o patela 20,000 why o sa tifu wena ya tlhatsa wena chelete then I only did 20,000 eo yaka.
Yeah.
I don't believe in such.
So after the graduation from Sibikwa, the School of Art,
yes,
you wrote some scripts.
Many scripts.
You wrote some scripts, and then you went to channels, Mnet. You wanted your script to be screened.
Yes. Ke submitile I'm sure 3 times.
Yeah.
And then ntone ke write ne be tsebare if you reject we will reply. Now I never got a reply.
The only thing you reply.
Nix. And then that movie was powerful. A very powerful movie, I don't wanna lie. I even called Slash Bongani Maseko at tlo shoota le nna. I even paid him. But then at the end of the day, anyway. I only received a call from the guy Tebogo. So you know what to do. Like, why you repela mo living? Joe, what is it? I don't have that amount of money. Maro Musadi. Guarantee ya hore movie ka o tlo dlala ke film. As I'm that guarantee.
So at that present moment, when you received that call, being rejected, what was your personal feel based for industry and those who are looking for the same opportunity, the young girls like you, and the future?
This industry, I always know is full of corruption. I didn't know
Yeah.
So personally, I believe that maybe the one to be where they are today. So I didn't see a problem in doing that because I told myself I'm not a virgin.
Yeah.
It's not like I'm going to lose anything. Instead, I'm going to gain. This will benefit me for a lifetime if I push. Because of non-promise ring. After I submit the movie, if they can give you contract that I shoot the movie say 10. And then maybe can move say 10, but offer 5 million. And then I believe this is a lifetime thing. Then I was willing. I don't want to lie. I was willing, and I feel bad at anything. The only thing that I wanted was a guarantee. Will my movie play on TV? But then as I'm for that guarantee, then I said no, I'm not gonna do that. So, but it's not only about this industry. Look at me very cool. Promotion or you know what to do. Some people to even get a job or you know what to do. So this thing can tell it exists. Look at driving school. I started think driving school illegit now. Go rapatala official rareka. Ramwala lenasi o tickets the answer. Then rareka happy wa driver and mistake wa pass. That is why only the accident because of rareka everything.
Yeah.
And of which at the end of the day the customer pillow are in. Yes.
So everything goes by money.
Exactly. Even the bribe, like le maponisa ba fihleng ba black cat utso koloi ke ye ka re tsang koloi ke ye le tsene 50,000 o itse ba ntlogela ke utswa tse dingwe tse 20.
Then after all the rejection, you decided to perform naked.
No,
what do we call that? It's the street show, it's a street profession, or what is called that genre?
Yeah, it's stripping.
It's stripping.
Yeah, it's stripping.
Oh,
after all the rejection, yes, get to make a music straight away.
Yeah.
And then give it like a performer, like we na ga ba easy. And like obora batho, they're like, oh, performer, they're like,
people are bored.
People are bored. And then one day, ne get periske this thing was how kwala ka. Ha ke busy ke performance ke tsela sa. People are yeah. And then o santse ke tse skete ya be le gore abuto mo se gogile ka tswela pele ke performa ke sa apara can the people ba thoma go mfa more attention and I was not comfortable until ge ke tlo lebella video ke na le rata this a le nyake nna ka di jeans a le nyake le music ka le nyaka this and then ke mo ile gore ka thoma ka ya into more of nudity. Yes, then kathoma ka ba stripper, but azange ba a complete naked stripper. You know ba stripper sala tsala ka dilanjare. Then ya be lo ithoma affect relationship ya ka le family ya ka. Go thoma ibotsa re ngwana kwa bo reno re bjang go irahalang. Like dilo tse bjao ne ba di bona mo di TV le mo bathong, they never thought ore e ka fihla le ko family ya o bona. So kandi ke mo e fihlile ka nna. Mara there's always the first time. Yes, and then I believe gore modimo umpontshitse on directile or study this way and then o tsetsela e bjalo. Then ka thoma ka nudity ne injisa. O tlhoke ne ke survive ka yona.
And then when you met Tsekeleke make you stop that.
Yes, even Skomoda tried, but then azang ampulella like na bolela media. hore mosadi wa mabona ke misa kae, mosadi a tattoo phatleng ke misa kae, ko hae matlo reng. Azang am fisa straight am polela hore baby I don't want this, I want it. And of which rena basadi, if o rata motho truly, you will change yourself. Not re no tlo change. Now I'm going to change myself for yena. Because of yena I honor I can change.
Yeah.
There's no way. Then I was willing to change myself for yena, but azang am for that chance. Yena o decide le gore ba mo distance monna and lena a dumele go ba distant. And the azang an latla ke boss wa hae o nlatlhile on behalf of Skomo.
Yeah.
A khawana le Skomo.
Yeah.
Ya sekhulele. Then I had to re ke khawane le yena. So mara ka tsekele ka mpotsa street re love khopela re o khate phata mapona. Ka re why? Our first of all ke rata ke bana. He bana ba rata nna ba rata lwena. Ke performa manyalong, o performa bya manyalong ka mapona. O performa bya dikolong ka mapona. O performa bya di tombstone ka mapona. O performa bya di stadium ka mapona. Mapona a o limit. O yabo. And then one day arena na hira advert that is smoothly mo TV sala hira vele. Maybe re ka thola a contract like that. Ba ka se utse ka mapona. Change your lifestyle. And then ka okay baby, anything for you. And then ka change your lifestyle ka rantsha pina ile nna le tsekele ke le malinga, and then le nna ka pina tsa ka tsela tsa individually bophelo bo tswela pele. Nothing have changed. It's as if like I'm still earning the same profit tshwana the time ke le ka mapona. And I'm grateful and I'm glad gore ke changile. Ke iretse bana, ke iretse community because of, to be honest, mapona ana future and a ruti bana anything.
Message for the youth, for the women, the young ones.
Exactly. Bana ba ko hae mapona ana future, mapona a ruti motho anything, and mapona a fa banna mentality ola or a fetse a batla o di tsela ka gang, like re ba tempter. So nna ke dirile di mistake tse ile gore ke a itshola mo bophelong. At the same time di mpeile mo keleng. Mara I don't wish gore le ngwana ko gae, even my biggest enemy can take that journey ya mapona, because of it's a very difficult journey whereby you lose respect. You lose everywhere you go. There's a ceremony, there's a wedding, the family members, the extended family members, you lose respect because of a kono wapola o apere. So to the youth and basadi bo botle ke re bana besong a re zameng ka tsela tse dingwe mara re zame go shiretsa mebele ya rena. Le nna I've learned the hard way and I'm talking from experience.
Thank you. You've spoken as a queen that you are.
Thank you.
Me, I see this is a queen's.
A queen's tattoo.
Yeah, this is a queen's crown.
Yeah, it's a crown.
This is a crown.
Yamakul, yes.
Oh, I can see.
That belongs to the queens.
Okay.
Yes.
I thought it is.
No, it's a crown.
Oh, it's a crown.
Yes.
Then it's a beautiful tattoo then.
Indeed.
It's a crown.
Net people, they don't notice.
We happy so.
Exactly.
Oh, I can see.
Elaya.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to be continued. Itori as Peli, everyone has a story to tell, everyone is welcome, whether you are white, black, colored, Indian, Japanese, Portuguese, Italiano, Mexico. It's for everyone. This podcast is for the people, by the people. Thank you, Mafuyethu. Subscribe. Israel Matseke Zulu. Ghetto Professor, GPMA Orange. Salute.